The location is Kuala Lumpur, Selangor in Malaysia. There are Chinese factories all around. The surrounding area is quite beautiful. Palm trees, nothing but palm trees. As far as your eyes can possibly see, there's nothing but palm trees, just palm trees. The Malaysian government exports these to various countries all around the world. The view in the afternoon is truly magnificent. Someone made time to come out and enjoy this beautiful day. Drone footage, I managed to capture some track footage and it turned out to be quite beautiful. Malaysia's industrial zone is now being developed with significant Chinese funding. Roads, bridges, houses, cars, there's no shortage of anything. It's all Chinese economy, Chinese factories, Chinese shops, Chinese markets, Chinese apartments. Everything is being funded by China. Even these extensive palm oil plantations are being financed by the Chinese. The Chinese are accumulating an unbelievable amount of wealth in this country by employing ordinary laborers. It's truly astonishing. The view from here is absolutely breathtaking. This is Malaysia, a beautiful hilly region. Personally, I truly appreciate the surrounding panoramic views. Amazing, truly beautiful. This late afternoon view just settles deep in the heart. May more such late afternoons come, may many more come.